Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to practice yoga for second and third chakra. So if you are suffering with confidence, power, willpower, action, you have discourage, or you are feeling like lack of peace or as if something missing and it feels that you want to run around to go somewhere to find that. If you're feeling all that, then you are watching the correct video. So watch this video, practice with me, get your chakras reactivated and balanced so that they can function properly. So let's begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. Close your eyes, bring your back, neck and spine into one line. Hands can be on the knees or in front, wherever it feels the most comfortable. You can take a moment to come into the present moment, into the now. Gently open your eyes, and I want to do this pose from the side because you can see how it looks. So let me turn. So you want to have your hands bringing them onto the abdomen like this. So this is my navel and I'm placing my hands right by the side of the navel, both sides. Then you want to inhale. And with exhale, go forward down as comfortably you can, and if you can touch the ground, that is brilliant. Keep your head on the ground, relax your hand, and stay as long as you want. The posture, the more you hold, the more benefit you can get from. Keep your breathing normal. And whenever you're ready, inhale, come back up. And one more time we will do the same process, but this time we are going to place both the hands on top of each other. Again, inhale. And with exhale, bend forward all the way down. If you can go again all the way down onto the ground, is great. If not, keep your head on the block. Taking a moment, staying in the pose and relaxing, as well as enjoying the pose. Becoming aware how and where is working, how effective it's gonna be for your digestive system and for your third chakra. And when inhale, come back up. Gently open your eyes. And you want to drop yourself from the same pose to the side, so on the right side, bring your left leg by the side of the right knee. Adjust, check your hips should be on the ground, both sides. And after that you want to bring this leg, the left leg, and hug it with the right hand. Bring your left hand on the back. With inhale, extending your chest upward, and with exhale, twisting to the left, all the way you can. Again, enjoying the pose, relaxing in the pose, keeping the breathing normal. Inhale, with exhale back to the center, changing the leg. So bringing your left leg under the right, hugging the right knee this time. Right hand on the back, extending your chest, inhale, and with exhale, twisting, twisting, twisting completely. Take a deep breath in, and with exhale back to the center, and coming onto the knees, standing on the knee and onto your palms for the cat pose. Inhale, arching your back, and with exhale, stretching your back. Compressing the front area. Inhale, compressing your spine, arching, head up. Exhale, compressing your abdominal area and stretching your back. Inhale up. Exhale down. So easy and simple exercise, but they can do a lot. Bringing your confidence back, your willpower, be able to take action to what you want to achieve in your life. If you have been discouraged, then this posture will help you getting your courage back. Keep doing as many movements as you like. There is no limit. As soon as you do not hurt, do not push yourself, you're not doing anything wrong. Back to the center and bringing your abdominal on the ground. Abdomen on the ground, lying on the abdomen, and come into the Makrasana. Stay in Makrasana for 30 seconds or 1 minute or more if you relax and feel good. Feeling good is the key in the yoga. So as soon as you're feeling good, you can hold the posture. For the next posture, we are extending your arms out, forehead down, working with the right and left brain. Inhale, bringing your right hand, left leg, and head up. Exhale down. Inhale, left hand, right leg, head up. Exhale down.
And this time we will try both legs together. Both hands, both legs, and head up. Inhale. Don't need to lift too much. Only do what is easy in your body, comfortable. You can't put too much up. You can just a little bit lifting up. And exhale down. Adjusting your body, rotating your hips side by side, releasing any tension if you hold. Then bend your knees, keep your forehead on the ground and holding your ankles if possible. If not, you can grab a rope and hold the rope this way, but if you can hold the ankle, it's gonna be much easier to do the pose. Then inhale, lifting your head up, legs up, and arching your back. And relax your neck, close your eyes and give nice stretch to all over the body. You can hold this pose for 10 seconds to 20 seconds or more, whatever your body allows. And with exhale, come down. And let's relax one more time in Makrasana. Crocodile pose, an excellent pose. Then turn around and lie on your back. And bend your right knee, grab with your left hand and push your right knee towards the left and look towards the right, giving nice gentle stretch into your spine using your hips, twisting from the hips. Back to the center. Release your leg and change. Left leg, inhale, exhale down. Very good. Come back to the center. Let's repeat one more time. Right leg, inhale, exhale. Changing the leg, back to the center. And left leg, inhale and exhale. Twist. Back to the center. Extend your legs out again. And bend your knees. Bend the knees close to buttocks, as close as possible, but not so close that your neck begins to lift this way. Your chin goes out. So you want to keep your chin close to your chest. So check if you bring too much, then this can happen. Also, your back will lift up. You don't want to do that. Yeah. So you want to keep your back on the ground. And how can you do that? By bringing your legs slightly outward, away from your buttocks. I can bring my leg up to here, still have my back close to me. Then you can see I can already hold the ankle. If you cannot hold the ankle, you can just place your palm on the ground. But if you can hold the ankle, go ahead, do this way. Inhale, lifting your hips all the way up, adjusting and bringing the shoulders on the ground. Lifting the hips all the way so your chin almost begin to touch the chest. Now if you can hold it comfortably here, go ahead, you can keep holding this way, or you can interlock your fingers and push your hand onto the ground. And if you are more advanced, you can bring your hands and support your back. You can see it gives more deeper stretch as it lifts higher, depending on how tall your forearm is. Holding in this position also as long as you can. Listen to your body. Our goal is practice yoga and stay healthy. Good. Whenever you want to come down, very gently, bringing your shoulder blades on the ground, center of the back on the ground, hips on the ground. Adjust your body and legs stretched out. Shake your legs. Shaking, feeling good. And then bend your knees and hug them gently. A counter stretch for what we have just done. Inhale, lifting your head, touching the forehead to the knees. Exhale down. Extend your legs out in Shavasana with feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling, mouth and eye gently closed, and relaxing for as long as you want. And very slowly and gently open your eyes. Great. So these are the exercises that you can practice if you are feeling, as I said, discouraged and don't have confidence. You have will, but you're not able to take action to achieve this will, or you are looking for peace or something that you're not sure about and you want to find out going somewhere. So this is the video you need to practice. Keep practicing it. Keep me updated how it's going. Yeah, I'm always looking for hearing the feedback. If you have any feedback, if I should change anything in the video or any tip that you want to give me, please go ahead, comment below in the comment section and I will come back to you. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.